Hello, I'm your teacher Marty, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you about WH words. WH words used to ask questions, and they begin with letter W and H. First, let's see what. What is used to ask information about things. Let me give you example sentence. These are: what are you doing? What is your name? What would you like to eat? What would you like to drink? Now let's move to the WH word why. Why is used to ask about reason. Let me give you example sentence here. These are: why don't you sit? Why are you disturbing? Why are you blaming him? Why are you so late? Now let's move to WH word how. How is used to ask matter. If we want to ask about matter, we use how. Let me give you example sentence. How often do you go to the cinema? How do you come here? How can I get to the school? Now, let's move to the WH word where. We use where to ask about place. So, let me give you example sentence here. Where do you live? Where are you from? Where do you want to go? Now, let's move to the WH word when. When is all about the time period which the action occurs. So, let me give you example sentence here. When was she born? When did you come back from America? Now, let's move to the WH word, which. Which is used to or is used to ask choice. Let me give you example sentence here. Which do you prefer? Vegetable or fruits? Which TV program do you watch? Which newspaper do you like? Now, let's move to the WH word, who. Who is all about the subject. So, let me give you example sentence here. These are: who is your favorite musician? Who is your favorite actor? Who is your favorite actress? Actress is for women and for girl, and actor is for boy and man. Now, let's move to the WH word, whose. Whose is used to ask about something belongs to the person, okay? To know something belongs to whom. Let me give you example sentence here. These are: whose phone is it? She has a son whose name is John. Whose pen is it? So, it's all for today's video about WH words. I hope you like the lesson, so like, comment and share. I'm your teacher Mati. See you next time and bye for now.